Assalamualaikum students, this is your English teacher. Welcome to class 5. Due to this pandemic situation, we are providing you recorded lectures. Please listen to these lectures carefully and do your homework on time. Your book is GABA Primary English for class 5. Please open your book, go to page number 1, chapter number 1. Your chapter number 1 is a poem. The title of this poem is The Solitary Reaper. First of all, I am going to read this poem to you. Listen carefully. The Solitary Reaper. Behold her singing in the field, yon solitary highland lass, reaping and singing by herself, stop here or gently pass. Alone she cuts and binds the grain, and sings a melancholy strain. Oh, listen for the wail profound, in overflowing with the sound. No nightingale did ever chant more welcome notes to weary bands of travellers in some shady haunt among Arabian sands. A voice so thrilling never was heard in springtime from the cuckoo bird, breaking the silence of the seas among the farthest heavers. Will no one tell me what she sings? Perhaps the plaintive numbers flow for old, unhappy, far off things and battles long ago, or is it some more humble lay, familiar matter of today, some natural sorrow, loss, or pain that has been and may be again? Whatever the theme, the maiden sang, as if her song could have no ending. I saw her singing at her work, and over the fiddling banding, I listened motionless and still, and as I mounted up the hill, the music in my heart I bore, long after it was heard no more. Now, students, underline the difficult words and know their meanings. Solitary, अकेला, तन्हा. Reaper, फसल काटने वाला. Field, मैदान या खेत. Highland, पहाड़ी इलाका. Melancholy, गमगीन. Nightingale, एक बर्ड जो बहुत प्यारा सिंग करता है. Chant, गाना. Travelers, मुसाफिर. Shady haunt, मशकूक जगह. Thrilling, जोशीला. Silence, खामोश. Farthest, दूर दराज. Herberts, जजीरों का एक ग्रोह. Unhappy, नाखुश. Far off things, दूर दराज की चीज़ें. Battles, जंगें. Humble, आजिज़. Familiar, वाकिफ. Natural sorrow, कुदरती उदासी. Pain, दर्द. Maiden, पहली. Sickle bending, पहाड़ी का ढलान हुआ हिस्सा. Motionless, बेहरकत. Mounted up, चढ़ा दिया.
Now, I am going to explain this chapter in Urdu. Listen carefully. The Solitary Reaper. Solitary means अकेला या तन्हा. Reaper फसल काटने वाला. खुलासा, ये नज़म विलियम वर्ड्सवर्थ ने लिखी है, जिसमें वो एक लड़की के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. वो किसी जगह से गुज़र रहे हैं और उस लड़की की सुरीली आवाज़ सुनकर काफ़ी मुतासिर होते हैं. इस नज़म में वो लड़की की आवाज़ को परिंदों की खूबसूरत आवाज़ से मिलाते हैं. शायर लड़की की सुरीली आवाज़ में बहुत गहराई से खो जाते हैं. वो लड़की खेतों में काम करती जाती है और अपनी सुरीली आवाज़ में गाना गाती रहती है। शायर जैसे जैसे आगे निकल जाते हैं पर उनके कानों में वो सुरीली आवाज़ गूंजती रहती है। इस सुरीली आवाज़ ने शायर के मूड पर गहरा असर किया होता है।
Now it's time to note down your homework. You do this work in your English text copy with pencil. Maintain your first page with your name, father name, class, section and subject. Now start your work from the new page. Mention date, chapter number 1. Draw a margin line. Mention the name of chapter, The Solitary Reaper. Draw 2 columns, one column for words and the other is meaning. Number 1, field, खेत. Highland, पहाड़ी इलाका. Melancholy, गमगीन. Nightingale, सुरीली आवाज वाला परिंदा. Solitary, अकेला या तन्हा. Motionless, बेहरकत. Singing, गाना. Thrilling, जोशीला. Heart, दिल. Mounted up, चढ़ा दिया. These are 10 words meaning. Now start question answer from the next page. Question number 1. Who is the poet addressing when he says stop here or gently pass? And the answer is the poet is addressing to the reader when he says these words. By saying this, he suggests his readers either to stop and observe the beautiful sight of the highland, girl singing a beautiful melodious song, or leave the scene without disturbing her. Question number 2. Does the poet know what the reaper is singing about? If yes, then what does the poet imagine the reaper's song is about? And the answer is the poet does not exactly know what the reaper is singing about. However, he imagined that her song may be a mourning about terrible wars of the past, or it is about the events of everyday life. Your next work is make sentences. Start from new page. Make 2 columns, one for words and the other is sentences. Number 1, Nightingale. Nightingale has beautiful voice. Number 2, Highland. Islamabad has highland roads. Solitary. Most vampires live solitary. You can also make your own sentences. So students, this is the end of today's lecture. Do this work with neat and clean writing. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.